Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable and disable nearby share in Google. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your settings. Select here Google. Here you little bit scroll down. Then select device and sharing. Now you can see here nearby share. Open this option. See here device visibility. All nearby contacts can share with you. If you are unable this option, you should disable this option. Show notification when devices are sharing nearby. This option also you can enable and disable. That's it guys. So in this you enable and disable nearby share in Google. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.